took off. I was waiting for him to go down to the pen, but he didn't do it.
It looks like they're going to need another one from what I can tell.
Yeah, they're working on that. The other birds work on it too. They like that. That lasts. And it's so cheap. It's only about $1.
And that's the regular one.
Yeah. Don't kid yourself. He liked the peanut butter one too.
Not as much as this.
I don't think he did. Yeah, he liked this better. But you see how he sits on the tree? He holds on to the tree and he eats out of that. The others have to hold on to the metal of the holder there and then peck it. Oh, he's got a big piece there. He's working. Oh God, he's getting a huge piece out. It's sticking out. He's breaking it off. Oh wow! You talk about a burglar. He said, "I'm going to get that out of there. That's mine. I got that. Give me that." Peeling off little chunks. He said, "I love this place." Go to it, Woodpecker. Oh boy, he's about to yank it through the bars there.
Did you erase this yet?
I think I did. Oh, he got that piece, another piece coming out there. What the heck? Oh my God, he got it. Look how big that. Oh, away he goes. He says, I got to go eat this somewhere else. Now, one of those little gray, black, and white birds is on there eating. He said, I'm going to get the leftovers. He left a lot of pieces around here. He said, I can eat that. He did a good job of loosening everything up.
What's that bird? Is that a blackbird?
There's a blackbird on the ground.
In the tree?
No. That's one of these little birds. He has white on the belly, but gray on the top, and then on his head has this black stripe down the middle, but white on his cheeks. He got black on his throat. I don't know what he is. I'd like to know. You got some little dark-eyed juncos around him too. He is a star sitting there by himself in the pan. Oh, Junco's gonna join him. Junco almost jumped on his tail. Oop, he jumped out again. And a little sparrow over there to the side. Another sparrow dropped down. But basically, you guys are having a nice day, aren't you? Yeah, you are.